Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change Subaru Crosstrek spark plugs. First, let's gather the necessary tools for this job. You will need a 14mm spark plug socket, a torque wrench, and a ratchet with extensions. Don't forget new spark plugs, anti-seize compound, and dielectric grease. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and more efficient, saving you time. Before diving in, safety is key. Disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent any electrical issues. Next, you'll need to remove the air intake box and any connected hoses to create enough room to work. This step is crucial for gaining clear access to the spark plug boots. Take your time and be gentle with the components. Now for the main event. Unplug the ignition coil connectors and remove the two 10mm bolts securing each coil. Gently pull out the ignition coils. Using your spark plug socket, carefully remove the old spark plugs. Before installing new ones, apply a small amount of anti-seize to the threads and dielectric grease inside the coil boots. This helps with future removal and ensures a good connection. With the new plugs in, carefully thread them in by hand, then torque them to the manufacturer's specified 15 foot-pounds. Reinstall the ignition coils, reconnect all wiring harnesses, and reassemble the air intake system. Finally, reconnect your battery, start the engine, and take a short test drive to ensure everything is running smoothly. For easy meal prep, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.